What's going on, guys? So a little bit about this tug of war pit they're getting ready to go into. It's not full of just water and mud. It's got mash in it from making vodka. Schultz Vodka sponsored the event, and they wanted to find some way to incorporate their vodka in it. Oh, that's not gonna work. So yeah, there's about 200 and some odd gallons worth of mash in this pit, and it looked like oatmeal running out. So I'm glad I didn't volunteer to get in it, but let's watch the people that did.
Team Sandoval, you guys ready?
Are you tight back there?
Hey!
One second. Hey, when they say 1, 2, 3, go, we're going with all of our yeah.
No one have your glasses. Anybody want to give me your glasses? All right, ready? We're going to do the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Go!
Keep going. Hey, dig down. Heave! Ho! Heave! Ho! Heave! Ho! Go nuts! Heave! Go nuts! Ho! Stand your ground!
I'm going to count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Go! Who wants to drink some mash? Drink some mash!
Get it! Get it! Pull the rope!
5, 4, 3, 2, go! Go! Come on, man! Come on,
Did almost have it. It was close.
We almost had you.
Did almost have it.
Yes.
Even,
Talk a lot of shit.
That's right.
Get him against the ropes.
Yep.
even once you went in, they still started coming back.
I wanted to stand back up and pull. My legs were not working. They were jello. I tried to get back up, and I was like,
Can I get a nod from the team over here? Ready? Nod over there. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go! 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 Somebody needs to go swimming.
Get him! Everybody on the go!
Thanks, guy.
That's team spirit.
I earned my pants. I earned these today.
There is $20 to see Adam Sandoval jump inside this ring. Can I get 40? We have 40. Can I get 60? $60. Who's on $60?
Let's all go in on the park.
Hands up.
Let's all go
We got $60. All right, can I get $80?
Oh, son of a bitch.
Can I get $80?
This happened to be your phone. It was
Raise your hand if you're betting 80.
Oh, no, mine's there.
Here to get the money. All right, we got 100. We need $100. $100.
Fuck.
We got 100. Can I get 120? Guys, come on. This is all going to charity. Let's go. 120. 120. Raise your hands in the air if you got 120. 140. 140. 140. This is Adam Sandoval on film. You guys are going to watch him jump in. What do you got?
He's trying to cheat.
All right, we're at 140, right? Can we go 160? Come on, guys. You know what?
Hey, there's 160.
160. How about this? I'm going to go to 180 if somebody else will meet me at 200.
86, 93, 320, 340, 350, $356.
That's 376. We're at $396. We got to break 500.
Ryan has to go with you.
If I go in, Ryan's coming with me.
You know what they say about good friends? You know what they say about good friends?
They're few and far between.
They tell you that good friends never let another friend go alone. So I will tell you right now, there's going to be some contingencies. What are we at? We get to $750 and I'm going in with Adam. $771.
$882. $892.
992.
992. Okay, so we need $8 fucking dollars.
Those are my strippers.
All right,
That's all right. You'll earn them back later. All you got to do is get on the pool one time.
All right.
Started at $40.
There's another 30.
Hey, we got more.
Comes another.
Lori,
Can I get a hell yeah?
Hell yeah!
you megaphone count it down.
$1,081 from the Christian Motorcycle Association. You counting off?
You want short side, tall side down.
Don't go head first.
Hold hands like Thelma and Louise.
Hey, just hold hands, guys. Just hold hands.
Don't be breaking necks. Thelma and Louise.
Just walk in.
Hey guys, ready? Everybody got your cameras out? Moment of a lifetime right here. Go on the count of 5. 5, 4, 3, go!
1, yeah! 8, 9, yeah!
That's fucking gross. Here's the rules.
Oh my
You
bad.
cannot use your hands. I think that mash is like soaked into my skin. I'm a little drunk. You cannot use your hands. My ambassador of fun, Miss Lori Lancaster. She's a rock star, one of my dearest friends, all the way from Cave Creek, Arizona, here to show you all a good time. She's gonna take that tongs and she's gonna put 1 scoop on each plate. 1 scoop each plate. I don't want to hear they got a bigger scoop than me. She's gonna do the best she can. Each scoop is a luck and a draw, folks. And there's no garlic bread. And this guy filming back here, that's Ryan Full Throttle Hog. He is still an asshole. So everybody's gonna get 1 scoop. You cannot use your hands. I need someone keeping count of how many they get. So here's the deal. Everybody gets one scoop. Whoever eats the scoop the quickest wins.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
And that means not one noodle left on the table, not one noodle left on your lap,
Good half beer.
not one noodle left anywhere. Whoever eats their cup of noodles the quickest takes home one bottle of Schultz vodka and
I forgot what I was using.
the first prize ribbon.
Hopefully I don't fucking die.
After this becomes a slow race, which I'm gonna win. You wanna try me? All right, let's get the big bowl off the table so we can get a good view of everybody. So this is for a bottle of Schultz vodka, which, listen y'all, a quick plug to these guys. I just met these guys a few months ago and I've been working with them and talking to them, and it's a small batch distillery, y'all. This isn't Absolute Vodka or Tito's or some major manufacturer. This is a small batch, hometown boys making their own vodka right here in Oklahoma. It's pretty cool. You gotta support your community, man.
Hey, Casey, do it for Dad. I need that.
And the first place. So I just want to hear the crowd's predictions. By cheer, who do you think is gonna win?
Casey won.
So all I'm gonna say is 1, 2, 3, go.
Go! Your daughter's pretty goddamn smart. She didn't touch a noodle. She picked up the whole fucking
Can you
plate.
turn this music up? Definitely not spaghetti music. We need like sit up, man. Give me something high energy, baby.
ACDC.
Let's go, Casey! Woo!
Somebody using their hands on the plate. Hello, buddy.
Let's go, Casey!
1, 2, 3, go.
Come on, Casey Whiting, you can do it. All night long.
Commercials. What does that mean?
Hey, come on, West Virginia girl.
Let's go. Make some noise, y'all. These folks are
Go, Casey!
Turn it up, baby. Turn it up.
Come on, Mountaineers.
Shit, man. Every noodle. He's close. He is so close. You guys are fucked. Oh! We have got a winner. One noodle left. One noodle left. Now we have a winner. It's in my hand.
I mean, we can do the dual vlog thing, but
Congratulations.
I'm about dead.
The man bun, the black
Well,
fucking
my battery
fingernails, and he made short work of all of y'all.
I've got another battery in my pocket, but
I need
you
a
know,
time lapse.
it's a pain in the ass changing the fucking media mod. They really should put the fucking battery door somewhere else.
You guys are still here? What are you still doing here?
Well, as long as you're here, if you want to watch more, there's some videos here, maybe there, maybe there. Hell, they might be up there. I don't know where I'm going to put them at yet. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload, and maybe share the video with a few friends. That way they might like what I do and go ahead and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.